Hello, are you looking for a home here in North Central Idaho and you love to garden? This might be the perfect property for you. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate, and I'm coming to you from Kooskia, Idaho. This property has a really nice house on it, but we've already done a video on that. I'm going to put a link down in the information for you to check that out. We wanted to concentrate on the outside of this property. It is now green and beautiful out here. It's early spring, but look at this garden. It is incredible. There is a ton of strawberries up in there and all kinds of great stuff already planted. There's also a vineyard over here on the other side of the house, and we're going to, of course, show you all that in this video. But we want you to know a few things. One, all the information you want to know is down in the information, including a link to a 3D tour of the house. There's also a link to an interactive map that you can see the property and everything around it. And of course, there's a link to our website. So we want you to check that out. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to our channel because you don't want to miss any of our listings. So if you're looking for real estate here in North Central Idaho, make sure you're subscribed. And also, if you find this content to be valuable in your real estate search, please leave me a like. I greatly appreciate it. It lets me know that this is helping. And also, if you'd like to leave me a comment, I'd appreciate that also. Otherwise, take a look around the property. I think you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Again, don't forget there's a link to a video where I walk through the house and the garage and all the other outbuildings. And we also want to remind you again, make sure you subscribe. And then of course, here at United Country, we always like to remind you to find your freedom.